2014 WRX STI hatch with only 45,000 miles, one owner, untouched. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. You know, we do everything here from classics to currents, heavy duties to the occasional Harley. If it's got tires and a title, we'll trade it, we'll sell it. But we don't really specialize in anything. But we do have this ability to find really nice STIs and WRXs. We don't always have 3 or 4 of them, but we do always have nice low mileage, clean, unmolested WRXs. This one's no different. 45,000 miles, one owner, bought brand new in Idaho, lived in Washington and North Dakota its whole life. Again, 45,000 miles, stock engine, exterior stock except for roof rack and some window tint. And it's never even had a stereo. I mean, this thing was not touched. Not touched. It's so hard to find a 10-year-old STI that hasn't been touched, but we got one. Brand new tires. Carfax says there was a dent on it. We got an aftermarket bumper for the front. The bumper had a big gouge in it. So that Carfax accident was nothing. It said minor. Again, the bumper was gouged. We got an aftermarket. It got a little chips and painting, or in shipping. It happens. Car's really clean. Again, it's stock. It's been independently inspected. It comes with a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide as long as you keep it stock. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade it very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of financing, get pre-approved at the AutoramaAuto.com. That's get pre-approved at our website, and we can have you in and out of our office under 20 minutes. That's right, under 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day. I had a guy fly up from Colorado this summer to buy an STI from us. He got off the plane, and he was back on his way back home to Colorado in under an hour. We picked him up at the airport. And that was with his test drive and everything, because he was pre-approved. Black heated cloth, 6-speed manual. It's got all the buttons. Everything works. Fresh oil change. It's ready to drive anywhere in the country. Price. We're overbooked. We know it. Find a STI that's not a piece of garbage that you can find for underbook. It doesn't happen. Book is so unrealistic on these cars, and they're getting even more expensive and harder to find. PPF on it. Window tint. Got the Yakima on it. Again, it's stock. The audio stock. Everything. One owner. We bought it from an estate. So yeah, let's recap. 2014 hatch, warranty, fresh service, brand new tires, completely stock, independently inspected, fast financing. Oh, let's talk about fees. We don't have hidden fees. The price you see is the price you pay. When you see the price that we advertise this for, you're not going to be here and we're going to be surprised. We do have a $145 doc fee, but guess what? This is your video coupon. Show it to my finance guy, and he'll give you a free doc fee. So yeah, that's the Autorama advantage.